Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. Everyone that's new here, before you continue watching this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Okay, so in today's video, as you can tell, I will be doing a unboxing / review of the Hydra Flask water bottle. I'm not really one to jump on trends, especially random ones like water bottles, but I will say that I've been in the market for a new water bottle. Not that I don't have like a ton already between Swells, Yetis, and now I'm using a Hydro Flask. So I actually ordered this one off of Amazon. I have the box right here, and I also ordered stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like in the box. So just go ahead and open the box. Oh wow, okay, so it's like this. Oh, they actually put it into like a little sleeve. And I got the yellow one because yellow is actually become like my favorite color. So like I said, I purchased this on Amazon. This is the 24-ounce bottle, and it was $34.99. Honestly, it's pretty much like the same concept as Swell or like Yetis, depending on the bottle, because I have the 32-ounce Yeti Rambler, and right now I just have the straw lid on it. The only thing with this is that clearly it's not spill proof, and even the lid that it did come with, which is the lid with the magnetic part where you can close it and open it and you can just drink from it like this, I don't think it's spill proof. This, I know if I knock it over, it's spilling. But it does keep it cold for a very long time as well. For the Hydro Flask, it says colder, hotter, longer, temp shield, double wall, vacuum insulation. Basically, when you put ice cold water in here, the ice should remain ice for a couple hours, and if you want to add anything that's hot in here, it should also stay hot for quite a few hours. I'm just going to take this off, but I love the color. It's such a bright yellow. I haven't decided whether I'm going to be extra and decorate it with stickers yet. That's what I did with my Camelback. And the only downside to the Camelback that I have is it's just a plastic water bottle, so clearly that's not keeping anything hot or cold. This is the lid that it comes with, just the standard generic lid. I do think that if they have the straw for, I don't know if they make it for this one though, but if they do have the straw lid for this one, I definitely think that I would get it. Like I said before, I have the Yeti 32-ounce and the 24-ounce now Hydro Flask. For this one, I wanted to get a smaller bottle just because it's thinner and I can fit this into my bag. I mean, it will stick up, but it's not like a 40-ounce where it won't fit in here at all. At least I can carry it. And like I mentioned before, this one, because of the lid, I don't have to worry about spilling this. So like if I get into my car and say I just don't put it directly into the cup holder, I can put it on the seat. As long as it's closed all the way, it won't spill, and I don't have to worry about getting a mess everywhere. This is so random. But aside from the water bottle, I also ordered a pack of random stickers. And I think this comes with 50 stickers, and they're just like so cute. I'll actually insert a clip of what they look like so that you guys can see, and I'll leave a link in the description if you love cute stickers like me, where you can get this 50 pack of stickers. There's stuff like an Instagram logo. They even have a YouTube logo. There's also a Dunkin' Donuts sticker. So I actually don't use them on everything. Sometimes I just like to have them, which is pretty weird, but I'm sure there's more people out there that have like sticker collections and stuff like that. These are all of the stickers that come with the pack. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will leave an Amazon link in the description so you guys can just find the product a lot quicker. It will link you to the exact one that I have, just in case you are interested in this one, or you can just see the other colors that are available, the other sizes, whichever one that you might want. So So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure before you go, subscribe to my channel for more wonderful content like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.